Hi, my name's Jeff Cronenfeld, and I'm the reports coordinator for the Arizona Capital Times, and I'm here to show you a little bit about searching in LOLA. From the dashboard, you can search by simply typing bills, words, or phrases into this empty space and then clicking search. You can also search different sessions by activating this drop-down menu next to the search button, navigating to the session you wish to search, and clicking it. To search by bills, simply type the bill number into this space. To search by words, simply type the word into this, or you can search multiple words by typing multiple words. To search particular phrases, enclose the words into parentheses. You can also explore other search options by clicking the Show Search Options drop-down menu, which will show you a number of other ways to search. To collapse this menu, simply click this arrow again. Please note that you can also access the search functionality by clicking the search button in the upper right-hand corner of any screen on any page in LOLA. You can also access advanced search functions by clicking the advanced search button, but we're going to cover that in another video. I hope this was helpful, and thank you.